I couldn't get it.
Were you filming?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna pass them to you, okay, Eric?
You need to pass the poppets first.
Okay.
Only, wait, take them out the plastic too.
Okay. We're ordering. Okay, I'm just ordering.
What is this?
Pea popper.
A what?
Pea popper.
What do you do?
You push it.
Oh, you just take the balls on?
No, you push it.
No.
Oh.
And
Oh, look at you got those.
What?
These, yeah.
Yeah, I know. I got so many.
Yeah.
Okay, Julie, I'm gonna pretend I'm ordering. Okay, I want a white popper with rainbow.
Wait, where's some?
No. I want green heart poppet.
This is hard.
Thank you. I want Among Us.
Take it.
Yeah. Take the picture.
A square poppet.
What is that, a poppet bracelet?
Wait, let me
Yeah.
open all these so you can throw them away.
Is this a poppet bracelet?
Yeah.
Look at this. How cool it is.
Okay.
Just put them in here and I'll get them.
So she's ordering them. Eric's
Put 'em in here
ordering
and I'll come
them.
back to the church. Okay?
Nancy, come here, Remy. Stop. Emma said if she could come in here, like just like in the front and sit down.
What did you say?
I said yeah.
When?
Today. She texted me on TikTok.
Did she come?
No, she's coming tomorrow because she was supposed to come today, but she didn't know when her car was ready. Because I think she's getting it paint or something. And so, yeah. So she couldn't come today. That's why. And she's going to bring me Starbucks. She was going to come get my nails done. Or she was going to let me go get my nails done, but Margie said no, I can't because what my mom just said.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
yeah, in the living room?
Yeah. But it's good though. These keep on coming up.
Weren't they gonna like take you to Starbucks or something?
Yeah. But she's gonna bring it and then she's gonna bring me Starbucks. What do you like from Starbucks?
I don't know.
Did you just get anything?
There's only one of those? Oh.
Me too.
I just got I think a pink drink with cold foam. Sweet cold foam.
Oh! I was trying to put it together. Oh shoot, that's hard. There. You can make a simple tip out of that.
Really?
Yeah, a girl. I saw it. You're tired?
Mm-hmm. When I woke up, I woke up at like 12.
Lila was in your room, huh?
She went to go sleep in there, but I was asleep. I went to sleep at 2, and she woke up at 3.
I know, because of Lila.
Mm-hmm.
Apparently she peed.
Oh yeah. I didn't even know. Oh, you know what Laya did? What's it called? And Chloe didn't even tell you guys. You know when Chloe was changing her diaper that other time? And when Kimmy came? Alaya laid on your bed naked. She laid on the bed. And then I walked in.
I had Kimmy on my bed, but...
And then I walked in and I was like, Alaya, get off the bed. And then they went on the carpet.
Ew. You're disgusting. So you want to stay up today?
Yeah.
Since it's Friday. Remember last time
It's
when
Friday?
Yeah.
Oh.
You didn't know that?
No.
Remember last time when me, you, and Jade we stayed? Because it was on the weekend, but Lila wasn't. She woke up. And then remember when we moved the bed? It was so funny.
Oh yeah.
We were laughing. That was funny.
Right now, I'm gonna make an account. And it's gonna be a fidget account.
Should I follow? I'm gonna follow you. A little bunny, chunky
Oh
bunny.
yeah, it's so cute. There was one that had like a little.
This one. Oh, you're so cute. I think so.
There was a gray one, and it has like
This one?
Yeah. Do you see it on the side? On the side.
Nice.
I don't even know what that is.
Yeah. Oh look.
I was trying to pull it off.
Oh, it's off. Oh shoot.
Oh, I thought it fell.
I thought it fell.
Why are they so soft?
I know. We have to try to. We have to try not to.
This one's soft. Feel it?
That's what I was gonna say. Look.
That's the seed. It's
Oh.
here. I wanna go outside. How about let's do a video and we have to find fidgets and I'll put them outside.
Yeah. That's good. Oh, but you should do it on your new account that you're making.
Yeah. That's nothing. Oh yeah, the top.
Hey. What's so much?
Yeah, wait. Let me go to my room because I don't know it.
Okay. Can I go with you?
Yeah. First is home.
Okay. And we can play Roblox because I have Mama's iPad.
We have to stay loud.
Remember? It's still filming?
Yeah.
What the heck?
Remember we didn't say bye?
Oh, yeah.
Okay guys, so we put all the stuff in here and we're gonna go make a video.
Yeah, on TikTok, and then we'll tell you guys her account, her new account,
Yeah.
and yeah.
And well that's it. And thank you whoever sent this. So wait.
Thank you
Okay.
so much.
Okay. So thank you so much for whoever sent this. I am so grateful. And like look at this. As you can see. Okay, it's a lot. And I'm gonna make a new account and I'll tell you guys what it is in the next video.
Yeah.
So
Or we do another video, or we could put it up on the
well
thing.
tomorrow we'll do a video of showing on my fidgets.
Yeah.
Because
Like all of them, right?
a bunch of people have asked, but
We haven't done it.
so well yeah, that's it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Hit the notification bell so you can get notified every single time we post. Bye.